To Europe, where COVID cases are surging, increasing more than 50% in just the last month, which is why several countries are now reimposing restrictions, and angry protests are erupting as a result. Police in Brussels using water cannons to disperse marchers. Demonstrators there are angry at tightened COVID measures and possible vaccine mandates. Across Europe, frustration is running high. ABC's Julia McFarlane is in London for us tonight.
Tonight, violent protests erupting across Europe against strict COVID-19 restrictions. The continent again the epicenter of the pandemic. In the Dutch city of Rotterdam, angry crowds seen torching police cars, burning bicycles and setting off flares. Police firing warning shots, injuring protesters, deploying water cannons, trying to quell the unrest that has been brewing for days, after the Netherlands have reimposed lockdown to try and curb spiralling cases, and now plans to introduce a vaccine passport for indoor venues. Officials say dozens of people have been arrested, several officers injured by furious crowds throwing rocks. In Belgium, police clashing with demonstrators, days after the government introduced new COVID restrictions in response to a jump in infections. It now has one of the highest rates of infections in Europe. And the Austrian government rolling out a total lockdown starting tomorrow. Austria also becoming the first country in Europe to make the vaccine mandatory to all citizens, not just health workers. From February, people who still refuse the vaccine may find themselves fined. Vaccination rates in parts of Europe have slowed in recent months. Many countries with low take-up, like Germany, Austria and Slovakia, seeing a rise in cases. Well, the situation in Europe is likely to get worse as winter approaches. People will be mixing indoors more, especially in the run-up to Christmas, as families travel to reunite. The World Health Organization warning that unless urgent action is taken, Europe may see 500,000 more deaths by March. Lindsay?
Just astonishing numbers. Julia, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.